Hey guys, so I'm not going to have a whole lot of time to trade the next day or two, so I figured I'd do a weekly NQ kind of trade prediction, and then we'll review and see how it turned out. So, as you can see my screen, this is NQ. I'm on the daily chart. You can see everything is climbing up, with each push where, things are hitting a point where things are going to explode. So, in case you're not aware, this is a wedge. Things break out or break down out of a wedge. So as you can see, it's a pretty valid wedge, respecting the bottom spot. So something is going to happen. So that's the first thing to note. So on the 1 hour, you can now see we have a smaller range that we can focus on. So this is what we'll focus on over the next day or two, depending on if we break or not. So we want price action will bounce around in here until it breaks or it breaks down. So, again, we have about 20,500 to about 20,700. So a nice 200 point range. So this will be the small range, and this will kind of be more of the weekly range that we will focus on. If we go to the 15 minutes, so we are exactly the same. So how I do this is I'll go to a smaller chart, like the 5 minute. Actually, we'll start at the 15, and I will paint out levels that I want to pay attention to. One's going to be there. I like the big bounces. See this big green candle here, right? Big bounce points. That's what you want to see. Take you here. Okay, so that's good enough. So this is what I would look at. So this is how I would approach my trading day. These white lines channel is the range we're going to be looking at. If we get to the ends, I'd be looking for a rejection play or a breakthrough. But when I play breakouts, I always wait for the retest or let the breakout candle close and then see what the next candle does and go from there. Same down here. But in between this weekly range here, or whatever it ends up being, you have lots of day trades, lots of scalps to take in here, right? We pushed to here, boom. What is it doing from here to here? Is it breaking back down or is it pushing back up? So keep an eye. So this is what I would do.